Hey guys, welcome back to my another video, and today's video is on GROK 2.0 newly released version, and they released basically two models, and which is currently in beta mode, which is GROK 2 and GROK 2 mini. So, and if you are a premium subscriber on Twitter on X, so then you can use, currently right now you can use GROK 2 beta version if you are a premium subscriber. So let's just keep this in mind, okay? And there is its, if you go to the x.ai, and into the blog section, you can search about, you can read about GROK 2.0, what its capabilities, what it is doing, so what it is score or whatever, right? So you can do that. And let me, that is kind of its interface. So if you go to the subscribe, this premium, then go to the GROK, and you can see right now this kind of interface. And basically its purpose is to capture the real-time data. So I don't know what it is, what its behavior or what it is, or what response it is giving. So I don't know about that. So, but you can use that if you are a premium user. So, and the second update about GROK is it is collaborating with FLUX model, which is a good image generator model. And the third update is you can use this GROK 2.0 or GROK 2.0 mini versions at the end of the last month. Okay, now we will talk about this FLUX model. Let's just start on this side. So this is their page, Black Forest Labs. As you can see, FLUX quite wide. Alright. So scroll down to see the results of their images. And okay. So if we use that FLUX 2.0 for the image model, so that is the best model they are giving for the image generation, right? If you want to do that, so just go to their VFL docs. When you click on this, that kind of page will open. So for right now, currently, if you will create this thing, if you want to use their API key, as in you can register into this link, but that is currently there is in waitlist mode. They're only invited mode, so you cannot use that right now currently. All right, so that thing is just dropped currently, right? Never do. So how can we use that FLUX model right now? So there, if we use this FLUX dev second model, so you can also visit their GitHub, or you can also use that tweeks, right? Great. Let me just get back to this thing. What happened? Boom. It close this extra tabs here. All right. So if you are on Mac, let me clarify this for you guys. So if you are on Mac, then you cannot use this kind of code because that is CUDA compatible. And I have tried this many times, these GPU, these Hugging Face models, but I didn't find a solution. So if you guys do have a solution, then do let me know in a comment box section. So so right now, if I cannot use on Mac, or if you can use that on Windows, so basically that is the thing. But let me tell you, I do not have a space on Windows, so I cannot download the models right now. So, but the second alternative thing is you can have is use the deploy. You can click on this deploy section, and you can go to the service inference API, And here you can just copy the code and paste into your VS Code right here. So that is the code I have copied from, but I just add some if and else statements. So if I do have an errors, then I will know what kind of error it is. So if you need this code, then I will drop this code into the comment or in a link, right? In some kind of link. So you can use that one. So at first time, I use this basic command prompt, which is astronaut riding in a horse, right? That was the my prompt, and that is the result it gave me. So I have tried many examples. You can watch my other videos, so you can just use that. Okay, so that is the result it gave me when I gave the prompt an astronaut is riding a horse. So that's the result. That's great, right? And after that, I do that another prompting, which is this. It gave me this picture, the neural networks dot png. Wow, kind of good. Okay, so now what I'm giving the prompt is the world's largest black forest cake, the size of a building surrounded by trees of the black forest. A complicated, I'm gonna try it right now. Prompt. So I just say Python flux image.py. Yes, that's a py file. And we have to wait for some times to give the best result. Alright, so it gave me the result here, cake.png. So let's, oh my god, so it gives a whole kind of factory of cake or a town or a city or whatever it is. Bro, that's the result it gave me. And you can see the detailing right here. It's a mountain, black forests and all that. Cars result is not good, but as you can see, two mixing cars. And yeah, but the other result is good, I guess. So that is the final result for Flux right now. But image generation model, the Flux 1.0 is still pending. Let me just remind you, that is their pro model. So just go to the API and just just register on Flux, right? So you can use that when the waitlist is over. So if you like my video, then please hit a comment, like, or subscribe. Please show some love, right? Thank you. Bye.